Hi everyone, today we're checking out the Yamazaki Industries 4851 Magnetic Storage Basket, a sleek and practical organizer. This basket measures approximately 11.6 inches wide, 4.7 inches deep, and 5.5 inches high, making it perfect for tight spaces. Its magnetic base allows for easy attachment to metal surfaces, keeping your essentials within reach. The black finish adds a modern touch that fits seamlessly in any room or office. It also includes a handy hook for extra storage options, ideal for keys or small accessories. Whether you want to organize your kitchen, workspace, or bathroom, this basket helps reduce clutter efficiently. Stay tuned as we explore its features and how it can simplify your daily routine. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.